Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks. I'm Lauren Prue, a training support specialist for the AT and UDL Loan Library at the Port Orange Distribution Center. Please enjoy the video series on ease of access in the Windows 10 operating system. These features help support all learners through universal education and as a Tier 1 support in the Florida's multi-tiered system of support. Students using a Windows computer can self-select these supports to remove any barriers and increase engagement during instruction of the Florida BEST standard. This episode will focus on Magnifier. To access this setting, start by clicking the Start icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the gear icon to open settings and click on Ease of Access. Select Magnifier to open this setting and toggle the Turn On Magnifier button. Magnifier will start working with the zoom level currently selected. This level can be changed by the plus or minus buttons. To change the increments, select a new level in the drop-down menu under Change Zoom Increments. Shown here are a few options of what these increments would look like. Magnifier can also read aloud controls and text. The speed and voice can be changed from the gear icon shown in the Magnifier pop-up box. The zoom level can also be changed here. There are three options for Magnifier view. Full screen, which is what we viewed at the beginning, and Magnifier uses the whole computer screen. Shown now is Lens, which is a rectangular box that can be moved around. Its size can be changed once it has been chosen by using the slider controls under Change Lens Size. Shown now is Docked, which is the long box at the top of the screen. This stays in place while the cursor is being moved around. Magnifier can also be opened or turned on when searched for in the search bar on the bottom toolbar. On behalf of the Technology and Learning Connections team, we just want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.